What you can offer to Krishna? Everything belongs to Krishna. What you have got? What is your value? And what is the value of your things? It is nothing. Therefore, the real thing is bhaktya. Real thing is your feeling. Krishna, kindly take it. I have no qualification. I am most rotten, fallen. But I have brought this thing for you. Please take. This will be accepted. Don't be perturbed. Always be careful. You are dealing with Krishna. That is my request. Thank you.
Samsara dava nalalita loka nayakarinya ganaganata.
Samsara dava nalalita loka tranayakarinya ganaganata.
Samsara dava nalalita loka tranayakarinya ganaganata.
Samsara dava nalalita loka tranayakarinya ganaganata.
Bhaktasya kalyana gunanavasya ande guru shri charanaravinda.
Bhaktasya kalyana gunanavasya vande guru sri charanaravinda.
Mahaprabhu ke dhananita gita paritramajam manasarasena.
Mahaprabhu ki Anitya Gita Paritramajam Manasarasena.
Mahaprabhu ke dhananita gita paritramajam manasarasena.
Mahaprabhu ki Anitya Gita Paritramajam Manasarasena.
Romancha kampas rutaranga bhajo ande guru shri charanaravinda.
Romancha kampas rutaranga vande guru sri charanaravinda.
Shri Vigrahara Ananityanana Singaratatman Hidamarjanado.
Shri Vigrahara Dhananityanana Sringarajanam Giramarjanado.
Yukta Shabhakta Shinayunjatopi Ande Guru Shri Charanaravinda.
Yuktasya Bhakta